Okay. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive hereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any
100%.
friends or any family members working here?
Friend only, ma'am.
Okay, I would like to let you know, or I would just wanted to remind you that you come here to work and not to meet up with your friends also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I
Why?
have I have work experience in Kuwait, ma'am.
Okay,
For what?
so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Uh, I tried to work in Malaysia, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Uh, Hello, ma'am. My name is Lisel Soriano from Santa Rosa, Laguna, Philippines. 31 years old and happily blessed with three kids, ages 12, 5, and 3. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I have work experience in Kuwait from January 19, 2018 to February 1, 2019. And I have served four members of the family, two adults and 20 years old son and newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities are the house, cooking, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of the newborn baby.
Okay, before we proceed to your booking experience, I would like to know some few more details from you first, okay? You are single or married?
Single mom.
You have live-in partner.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
When is your birthday?
July 11, 1994, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 153 centimeter, and now, ma'am, I 59 kilograms.
Okay, so your height is 5 flat in feet,
For 9, ma'am.
4'9". Okay, what is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate.
Okay, you mentioned that you got 3 kids, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Their ages is 8, 5, and 2 years old. So who will going to
12,
take care? Sorry?
12 years old, ma'am. 12 years old, 5 years old, and 3 years old, ma'am.
12, 8,
12,
12, 5, and 3 years old. 12, 5, and 3 years old.
yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My live-in partner, ma'am, and
How
my
Okay, so how old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
37 years old, ma'am, and factory worker.
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have any problem later.
No, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brother, ma'am, and I am the eldest.
Okay, what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father's name is Marcelo Soriano, ma'am, and he is 61 years old, and he is a farmer.
What
And
about your mother?
my mother is Elizabeth Mabun, and she is a OFW and 50.
Okay, so you mentioned that you have a working experience in Kuwait, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years you work there?
1 year, ma'am.
What month did you started and year and what year did you finish your contract then?
I started from January 19, 2018, February 1, 20.
Sorry?
From January 19, 2018 to February 1, 2019.
January 2018 to January 2019.
February 1, 2019.
January 2018 to February 2019, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you work for 1 year only?
My employer, ma'am, is migrate in Saudi.
Okay. You mentioned also that you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and you also take care of a newborn baby, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after 2019, do you have any working experience?
No, ma'am, because I got pregnant.
So after 2019 and until recently, you are a full-time mother, is it?
Yes, ma'am. And I do online business, ma'am.
So being an OFW is not new for you, knowing that you have a working experience in Kuwait, okay? So you need to be flexible and you need to be multitasking. Are you
Okay.
ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
But I would like to let you know that Kuwait and Malaysia is quite different. Malaysia here, employers is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Okay?
Yes.
So are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will going to sign a 2 years contract, okay? Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time. You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, it's fine. You stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Just don't give us problem later or trouble once you come to reach here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Always remind yourself that you come here to work to sustain your family's needs and to give a better future for your family also at the same time. Yeah? In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how do you fight your homesickness later, knowing you've been stuck in the Philippines for almost, I think, 6 years? Then, most probably, homesickness will strike you anytime and anywhere. What will you do or how are you gonna handle your homesickness later?
I will make myself busy, ma'am, doing my duties and responsibilities and follow my employer's instruction.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.